Titan SL features all SV equipment, including the standard 400 horsepower V8 engine, and adds even more technology and convenient features. It's available with four-wheel drive. Titan SL comes in the crew cab configuration. For SL, there are 6 color choices, 2 of which are premium options. The Titan SL has a distinct look from any vantage point. It's equipped with 20-inch alloy wheels, chrome accents, and LED headlights. The Utilitrack system comes standard for better cargo management. The running boards are a stylish way to step up, and the rugged spray-on bed liner adds toughness to your cargo area. The SL leather-appointed interior is available in 2 colors, beige and charcoal. The SL has an upscale interior to match its exterior. There are wood accents throughout, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and front captain's chairs that can remember driver's comfort settings. The front seats are heated, and so is the steering wheel, and comfort is easy to find with dual-zone climate control. You can start your Titan remotely and warm it to your desired temperature before you start driving. And the rearview mirror dims automatically for less reflection at night. Sync various home appliances like garage doors and lights with HomeLink. There are rain-sensing wipers, as well as 120-volt AC and 12-volt DC power outlets. You'll have a very convenient smartphone or tablet holder, plus a power-sliding back window for easy access. The SL is well equipped with useful and helpful interior technology, starting with the user-friendly 9-inch touchscreen display. You'll have the convenience of door-to-door traffic and even on-road assistance from a live person 24/7 with Nissan Connect services. There are 2 rear USB connection ports and the Fender premium audio system to make your playlist sound even better. The Titan SL gives you a view you'll really appreciate when parking or towing. The tow package adds a number of features that enhance Titan SL's towing capacity. For great views and fresh air on demand, add the moonroof package.